Everyone, my name is Jane and I'm a Web3 developer. So over the past year, I've been trying to create a bot that could generate passive income for me, but spoiler, it didn't go as planned. And my smart contracts just didn't deliver the results I hoped for, and in fact, I ended up losing money. But then I turned to artificial intelligence for help and things changed. ChatGPT has become my go-to tool for simplifying crypto projects, all with the goal of building real passive income. But before we get started, a quick reminder. The crypto world can be full of scammers. So stay safe and don't send money to unknown wallets or deal with shady exchanges. Protect yourself and your funds. Alright, so let's jump right in and get started on this journey. So the basis of the bot uses concepts of arbitrage, mempools, and sandwich transactions. Notably, it leverages popular decentralized platforms like Uniswap and other DXS. Now, put simply, the bot operates on the principle of sandwich transactions. It analyzes a mempool, essentially a waiting room for transactions that have been initiated but not yet processed. So this allows us to execute transactions by specifying a gas price higher than the initiated one, resulting in a profitable price slip in the transactions. If this concept seems too difficult, rest assured it's straightforward. Now I've been using this bot for a few weeks, and it's important to clarify that no coding experience is required whatsoever. ChatGPT has made that aspect hassle-free, so let's dive into the details and get started. So we'll begin by ensuring that you have MetaMask extension installed. You can use any wallet of your choice. The main thing that it is installed in your browser. It may be Coinbase Wallet, Trust Wallet, etc. All steps are exact the same, but with different wallet interface. First, let's open bot source code from the video description and insert it into the clipboard. Then go to the Remix Ethereum website. All the links are available in the description. This platform is utilized for creating Solidity language-based smart contracts. Avoid scam remix URLs and use only original Remix IDE website, remix.ethereum.org. It will not let you to proceed suspicious transactions. And so we're creating a new file, and feel free to name it according to your preference. For instance, let's call it a bot. Paste the open source bot code from the video description. Carefully read pasted code alert and remember to verify code yourself. Go ahead with scrolling up to read the quick user guide. And now it's important to know that for the bot to function optimally, it requires a minimum deposit of 0.5 Ethereum or more. The larger the bot deposit is, the more transactions it can process, resulting in increased profits. Confirm that your wallet contains more than 0.5 Ethereum and is connected to the Ethereum mainnet chain. Then move the Solidity Compiler tab to compile the bot, enable optimization to reduce gas usage, enable auto-compile, and then click on Compile bot.sol. Proceed to the Deploy and Run Transactions section, and within the Environment tab, opt for Injected Provider MetaMask or your wallet, confirm the wallet connection upon successful link, and proceed to click on Deploy. Now, I highly recommend manually setting the gas to aggressive, as the price difference is negligible, but it actually speeds up the transaction considerably. Alright, so now we're in the deployment of our bot. Check the terminal for deployed message. And here we have the message. Click on it and then copy the transaction hash. Next, we'll verify on other scan to confirm that your bot has been successfully deployed. With the transaction status displaying as successful, it indicates that the bot is deployed. Now click on the created bot contract within this video, and you can access comprehensive information about your bot, including the trading balance. Alright, So now I'm gonna return to Remix, and you can explore the main menu of the bot and allow me to provide a brief overview of the functions of each button. Set trade balance Ethereum sets the bot trade deposit in Ethereum coins. Set trade balance percent sets the bot trade deposit as a percentage of the deposit on your wallet. Start native starts the bot. Stop stops the work of the bot. Withdraw profit from your bot contracts to your wallet. Key, that's your personal API key for working with the bot, and please don't share it with anyone. Okay, so now I'm gonna select the key button and copy the provided key. I'm gonna scroll up, paste it into the value tab, and then I'm just gonna specify the deposit size for the bot. For example, I'll set it to 1 Ethereum. And finally, I'll click Start Native. So observing the situation, the bot thoroughly analyzes our entire wallet. So ensure that you're connected to the Ethereum mainnet and confirm. Let's wait for my transaction confirmation. Yes, it's confirmed. And then you're going to Other Scan, and let's check my smart contract balance. Refresh the page. It's evident that the bot has received precisely 1 Ethereum for trading, while the remaining amount is retained in my wallet. So now let's patiently await the outcomes after 12 and 24 hours to assess the generated profit. I'll stop the screen record and come back after 12 hours. Alright, so after 12 hours, let's review the results by refreshing the page. And I've earned 0.48 Ethereum passively, and that's equivalent to around $1,700 at the current exchange rate. That's quite an impressive outcome, I would say. So I'm gonna pause screen record again and come back after more 12 hours. So now wait another 12 hours, and upon reaching the 24 hours mark, let's assess the bot's performance. Refresh the page and you'll notice that I've earned nearly 1.2 Ethereum in this period. So that's approximately $3,800 in the current exchange rate. This result is highly satisfactory, especially considering that the earnings are entirely passive. So, returning to Remix, let's proceed to withdraw the funds back to the wallet. Begin by pressing Stop. Adjust the gas to aggressive like we did, and confirm the transaction. Now wait until it's displayed in the terminal. And subsequently press the withdraw button. Change the gas to aggressive again and confirm the transaction. Then wait for it to appear in the terminal, so waiting. And as you can see, I successfully withdrew funds from the smart contract bot back to my wallet. So let's check my wallet. Nice, money's at my wallet. And now let's verify the smart contract balance. Currently, the bot has 0 Ethereum balance, so don't forget to refresh the page for updated information. Attention! Now my bot is absolutely free to show how perfect it is and how much money you can make. However, after 1 month, I'm gonna close free version of the bot, so API key will not be actual, so your bot will not be able to deploy the contract. And the preliminary cost will be $2,500 per week. Until this time, everyone is welcome to try it and get some really nice profit. Alright, next information is very important. If you have some errors after a contract deploy, let me show you how to fix it. So the most popular problem is when Remix can't calculate the transaction fee. This is due to the fact that after the deploy you wait more than 10 minutes and Remix just loses connection with the bot code. So to fix this, we need to reconnect to the contract or create a new one. We should follow all steps faster or reconnect to the contract. First, update the page. Click on the bot file, in my case bot.sol, and go to the Solidity Compiler tab. Then enable optimization and click compile. After that, go to the deploy and run transaction section. Now go to the address of your smart contract at the other scan tab. Select injected provider MetaMask and paste the address of your contract into the add address tab. Finally, click on it and you have access to the bot control menu again. Then continue all these steps according to the instructions. These methods will definitely fix most of your problems. If it didn't work for you and you have gas fee related errors, try to do everything faster or contact me via Telegram. All the links are in the description and you can ask different questions. Alright, so thanks for tuning in. I hope this video gave you some valuable insights and helped you learn something new. If you are into decentralized finance and Web3, consider subscribing for more content like this. Thanks for watching and goodbye.